Hi friends, today we'll discuss about what is grace period, what is DPD days, mode of operation, primary security, financial, non-financial transactions, account status. I picked some points from the banking. What is grace period? Period immediately after the due date. So the period followed by the due date. So that is called grace period. Late fee and action will be in case amount paid during the period. So what happens? For example, every month 10th you have to pay your EMI. So 3 days grace period is there. So grace period is followed by your due date. So 10th is your due date. So 11, 12, 13 your grace period. So if you are paid on 10th or 11, 12, 13, so it will be considered as a regular payment only, and late fees or action will not be taken if the customer is paid during the grace period. What is DPD days? Days past due, days by which the payment is delayed. So for example, in whatever example we are taken, what is DPD equal to? Due date minus current date. My due date is on 1st April. Today, if it is 21st April, then what is my DPD? 20 days. So days past due. So days after my due date if I am not paid. So this is called DPD days. Mode of operation. Mode of operation specifies how a bank account will be operated and by whom. So how a account will be operated and by whom. So for example, it is an individual account, it is self. If it is a joint account, it can be either a survivor or anyone, or jointly, or A only, B only. These are called mode of operation. If it is a company, then it will be CEO, MD or board of directors. These are called mode of operation. This is applicable for all the operative accounts. It may be savings account, current account, or any operative account, CCOD account. This mode of operation is applicable. Depend on the customer category, these will be changed. What is primary security? In the asset created out of the credit facility extended to the borrower and or which are directly associated with the business project of the borrower for which the credit facility has been extended. Primary security means, so bank is giving a loan to the customer. It is a business loan against stock. So stock will be your primary security. If you are giving a loan for house construction, if your house is a security, that is called primary security. So the purpose for the purpose of the giving the loan, so the same thing will be considered as a primary security. Financial and non-financial transactions involve funds. All financial transactions involves funds. It may be minus or it may be plus or it may be transfer from one account to another account. These are called the financial transactions. For example, cash withdrawal, cash deposit and fund transfer. Non-financial transactions involve no funds. So these transactions, there won't be any financial movement or it may one account to another account. For example, account statement, PIN change, checkbook request, these are non-financial transactions. Account status, different status of an account. For example, you have a savings account. If you are operating daily, weekly or monthly, then your account will be in active status. If you are not operating for 1 year, then it will be inactive status. If you have closed account and removed everything, then status will be closed. So these are the different status of an account. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.